Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Nvidia. I've talked about them a couple times here on the channel, and just time for an update. This is Nvidia, ticker NVDA. This is a growth stock, really nice stock. Looks like it was on a dip here and here. Might be a buying point, but here's a look at what they've done over the last year. So up over 72%. So can't complain too much about that one. I believe they did a split. We'll look at that here in a moment as well. In the past 3 months, down over 23%. In the past month, down over 2%. Here in the last week, they're up over 14%. And here today, they're up over 2.25%. As you can see, I have a partial share here. That's another thing I'd like to point out about Robinhood. You can buy partial shares here on Robinhood. If you don't have Robinhood, check in the description. You can find a link and you can get some stock. I can get some free stock. M1 Finance does it as well. Again, I have a link in the description. And if you have one of the major brokerages, Charles Schwab does, I think they call it slices. So if you don't have, the point that I'm trying to make, if you don't have $240, want to throw $50 at Nvidia, you can buy $50 worth of Nvidia. So that's why my cost basis is what it is, and that's why it shows a partial share here. So, but if you don't know much about Nvidia, they design and manufacture of computer graphics, processors, chipsets, and related multimedia software. And feel free to pause and go over the rest. I'm sure if you are watching this on a computer, you probably have Nvidia on your computer. My laptop here has it. So, been around since 1993. Volume of 19.21 million. Average volume of 61.82 million. A market cap of 599.85 billion. 52-week low of $115.67 and a high of $346.47. This one also does give a dividend. You're not going to get rich by any means off of that, but it does have a dividend, plus it's a growth stock, so the best of both worlds. 80% rating here on Robinhood, 80% buy, so can't get much better than that. And here's their earnings, just a staircase going up. So last was projected $1.22, and they beat it by 10 cents to $1.32. So here's the split that I was talking about. So forward split 4-to-1. So if you were in on that, probably did all right. Here's where I bought mine. So like I said, I just threw $10 at it when it was $355.57. That was before the split. And so this one will probably split again, I'm sure, and split quite a few more times, but as the price keeps going up, so to make it more affordable for everybody to buy it. So sentiment shifted to bearish. That's interesting. Microsoft Bing currently showing it as a buy with a 1-year price target of $343.46. And hackers stole Nvidia data, posted it online after breach. And as you can see, this is just dated yesterday. So I'm sure Nvidia's been busy with all the breach and the Russia and the hackers and all that stuff going on. So officials at Nvidia Corp said hackers stole proprietary information when they breached the company's networks and have been leaking the data online. And here you can find some more links. We are aware of the threat. Actor took employee credentials and some Nvidia proprietary information from our systems and has begun leaking it online. Santa Clara, California-based company said in a statement, "Our team is working to analyze that information. We do not anticipate any disruption to our business or our ability to serve our customers as a result of the incident." Nvidia said it became aware of the compromise on February 23rd. Cybercriminal group has publicly extorting the company on its Telegram channel. Cybersecurity experts have speculated that hacking group called Lapsus, it's interesting, have members located in South America and Western Europe. So that's just something we're going to have to fight until the end of time with computers. So cybersecurity, you'd probably have a guaranteed job if you were looking to go into school for that. So in such attacks, hackers deploy malware and encrypt computer networks and then demand a ransom. So that's what it's all about. Nvidia confirms company data was stolen in cyber attack last week. So again, some more information about that. We're aware that the threat actor took employee credentials and some Nvidia proprietary information from our systems and began leaking it online. And this is showing on February 24th. So again, just going to scroll through some of this information and see if there's anything out of the ordinary that we have yet to cover. Typically, ransomware would be involved in a case such as Lapsus is a known ransomware gang having attacked a Portuguese media group Impressa with ransomware in January, despite some reports in the contrary. There is no proof that ransomware was used in the hack of Nvidia. Instead, it appears to be a case of data theft and extortion. Nvidia is also on the record as stating that it has no evidence of ransomware being involved. Lapsus claimed it's a Telegram channel that had stolen 1 terabyte of information from Nvidia, including highly confidential secret data and proprietary source code. The gang demanded a ransom payment be made, not to release the stolen data, but then the tale takes a turn into bizarre territory. Moving on here, Nvidia data leaked online after hackers break in, and this is just stated here today. So again, some more information, just a different website. Our team is working to analyze that information. We do not anticipate any disruption to our business, our ability to serve our customers as a result of the incident. Now, this is saying February 23rd. They each say a different date. That's quite interesting. Bloomberg, citing a person familiar with the incident, initially reported that the attack appeared to be a ransomware attack. In such attacks, hackers deploy malware and encrypt computer networks and then demand a ransom, just as we went over before. Hacked Nvidia driver for mining Ethereum riddled first with viruses. And here today is this bad news for Nvidia. So again, more cyber attack. The company will be hosting 2 events this month. The first will be on March 7th, where Nvidia will present at the Morgan Stanley Technology, Medium and Telecom Conference. The second, and probably my favorite, will be the GTC 2022 keynote, where CEO Jensen Huang will present new Nvidia products and collaborations on March 22nd. Nvidia confirmed that the been a victim of cyber attack. At the moment, employee and company information is being leaked online. Nvidia does not anticipate any disruption to the company's business. That's always good to know. Data hackers demand removal of crypto mining limits. Begun leaking data, clarified that the hackers had deployed no malicious malware. Among the released information, source codes and data from Nvidia GPU drivers have also been leaked, according to the report from Bloomberg. Hacker group Lapsus has managed to hack Nvidia for proprietary data. The tech company known for the graphics processing unit, or GPUs, and drivers confirmed the same. Identified to be a South American hacker group. So again, last year Nvidia reduced the capabilities of Ethereum mining on its graphics card by half due to the increasing demand. The graphics cards were sold with the new light hash rate labeled to discourage miners from stocking up these cards. Then the Lapsus Group stole critical information, sources, codes, and confidential data concerning NVIDIA GPU driver, Falcon, LHR, and more. So if you have any more information in regards to the hack, you can leave that in the description. I was just doing a update on NVIDIA. Haven't talked about them in a while and just run into the hack, so we'll see what it does to the stock price. Currently at 241.27 here on StockTwits. Low of 115.67. High of 346.47. Another easy rinse and repeat. NVIDIA is kind of like Apple. I feel you can't go wrong with it. It just keeps going up. Splits, keeps going up. Added shares 300 long term. Nvidia 244 coming, getting shares in a few options. 259 end of the week. Over here on Emerson Money, currently showing it as a buy, and here on Tip Ranks, a strong buy with a 49, almost 50% upside to 359.38, high of 400, low of 250. But if you have NVIDIA, go ahead and list that in the comments along with the your cost bases, any other information you'd like to share. But it doesn't look like the hack has really affected NVIDIA at all here. So, but like I said, if you have this one, go ahead and list it. Your cost basis, that would be interesting. And if you got in on the split, and if there's any other videos, any other stocks you want me to make a video on, I'd be happy to look at that as well. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing, and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is Jay Money, following Ford Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.